In this video, I will show you how to add friend or new contact in WeChat. So click on contacts, new friends, and now click here, add contacts. As you can see, you have a lot of options how to add your friend or new contact. We're gonna try mobile contact. It means we're gonna add from mobile address book. And now you can see everyone from your contacts who is using WeChat. So we're gonna add Marty's friend, number 1, add, and you can also send him a message. So I am Marty, I am your friend. Please add me. Thank you. We can set privacy, so we can only chat with this person, and we can share also moments, and you can also hide your post. So you don't want to share your post or you don't want to see their post. Okay, and click on send, and that's it. This is how can you add new contact or new friend in WeChat. Guys, thank you for watching. If you'd like to support me, please subscribe and see you one click later. Bye bye.